Hey everybody, I'm going to talk to you through some regular expressions. So this is how we're going to determine our single properties. From our last video, if you guys remember, we did an extract for all of these single properties, molecular weight, critical temperature, as you can see. So I took the single properties from our raw GitHub file. And I've kind of pasted into this this website regex101.com. So now to kind of go through this, we'll start writing our regular expression. So the way that these regular expressions always start is with this up, or the up arrow, and then we are going to, since almost all of them start with space. Oops, sorry, it's backslash. So we have spaces in front of all of the lines with values in them. Okay, so now we want to determine our words. So to get a word, if you look down here in this quick reference guide, there should be any word character, which is this lowercase w. So we're going to go backslash w, and we want it to be case sensitive. So we're going to include both of our forward and backslash. And then we're going to wrap up our first expression. So this is how we determine a word that has anything that's case sensitive. Okay, so now we've grabbed the word, and to quantify it, we don't want to like look for exact words, so we're just going to kind of put that lazy quantifier in there. And then close it out. So now we can find all of our word, or everything that starts with a word. So you can see molecular weight, critical temperature, pressure, volume. All of those have now been grabbed in this regular expression. So now we are going to add, or try to look for another word. So next we have another space after our first word, and then we have a colon after our words. And another space in between the word and what we're looking for next. So now we have our space quantified. Now we're going to look for numbers, but our numbers range from a lot of values. So we have these regular decimals and we have these exponential numbers. So to make sure that we can find all exponential numbers, all numbers and exponentials, we're going to put all 1 through 9, so we want to go through 0.0 through 0.9. As we kind of, so that's how we get all of our numbers. We want to quantify it, so we want exactly all of the numbers. And as we move along, we want to get those grab units, so we want the space. And to grab the word of the units, we need our backslash w to grab a word. And then so we're not as case sensitive here. And then kind of finish out the expression. And then $sign is how you end all expressions in regex 101. So now we have all of our entire regular expression here, or regex. So once we get into to take this into our files, we're going to grab all of it, Control C, and now to actually put it into our file, we're going to, instead of putting it into the dictionary, we're going to create a path. So our single props have a path. And the single props have and to create this path, you do a re.compile. And to get it to be exact, we have this R, get the raw, and then you Control V, paste our regular expression in there, and to end it, since we're looking for multiple things on several lines, we need the multi-line command. Read has no attribute to compile. Whoopsie. Excuse my spelling. And no errors. So now we have all of our values. So let's go for our look what and see if we can get. So let's see if we can get value. Okay. So I'm gonna pause real quick. So as we do our callouts, we'll actually worry about that in the next video, where we'll start to go through class objects and how to class objects, definitions. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.